Mount Royal, Montreal, New York Central Park. If you think the New York Park is an oasis for dreamers and hipsters, see what Montreal's Mount Royal and its surrounding neighborhoods and parks has to offer. About 4.5 miles away from busy downtown Montreal, Mount Royal offers a tranquil escape from the chaos of the city. What NY's Central Park has become for thousands of big app users coming there to run, cycle or simply sit around, read a book or admire the view, Mount Royal is that and much more, although as a jaded Torontoer I can advise you that Toronto's version is just as good if not better. Mount Royal, Montreal, New York Central Park, Montreal, Canada is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. The city has a Mediterranean climate and is full of parks, trails and paths. Mount Royal Park is the largest urban park in Canada. It is also home to two major universities. The park offers many outdoor activities for students and residents alike. Many people use the park for various sports such as hiking, rollerblading, cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, cycling and more. Mount Royal is a giant green space providing a sanctuary for people and wildlife. The mountain is one of the most popular places in the city for walking, jogging and biking. There are also many small parks on its lower eastern slopes. The park has an area of 160 ha, 400 acres, and is larger than Central Park in New York, 110 ha/270 acres. Mount Royal Park is considered the largest green space in Montreal, and is one of its most well-known outdoor attractions. It's a piece of history in the making, a classic American park in the heart of Montreal. In the end, the similarities to Central Park are undeniable. But as we mentioned above, Mount Royal is positioned to become a larger and more important green space in the city. And as the years go by, it will likely look more and more like its famous namesake. The Central Pavilion and other pavilions will keep Montrealers coming back year-round for their dose of greenery, and hopefully others around the world will soon visit too.